Good morning, class 7. Today I am starting exercise 12.3. And in the previous exercise, if you have any doubt, then please send me a message so that I can cover those questions in a video. Okay. So in today's class, I am taking 12.3 exercise, and here question number 1 is, if m is equal to 2, then find the value of m minus 2. M is equals to 2. Value of variable is given 2 here. Then we have to find out in first part m minus 2. So this question is very easy. Already we know the value of m, that is 2. So now put this value of m here in the given expression. So we have 2 minus 2. Now this 2 is containing plus sign and this one minus sign. So plus minus cancel out and answer will be 0. I am taking now one more, that is fourth one. Here expression is given 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Now value will be same, that is 2. So at the place of m, I am going to put value of m, that is 2. So write here 3, 2 square, 2 into 2 minus 7. Now for simplification, keep this 3 as it is and here 2 containing exponent 2. So 2 2s are 4. So write here 2. 2 to the 4, that is 4, minus 2 to the 4 and minus 7. In the next step, multiply this case at the bracket, so it becomes 12 minus 4 minus 7. After this step, keep this 12 as it is, minus 4 minus 7 gives minus 11. Now plus 12 minus 11 gives plus 1. Plus 1 because 12 is a greater number containing plus sign, so answer will be plus 1. So this will find out other questions also. Now question number 2 is again same. So I am taking here question number 3. Even question number 3 is also same. I am taking question number 4 now. Put the given value of variable, put the given expression, and then only simplification is there. Question number 4 is, if a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2. Here it is given a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2. Then find the value of, in first part, a square plus b square. This is the expression. What we do now? Process is same. Again at the place of value, put the value that is given in the question. So here a is 2, so write here 2 and then square. B is minus 2 and then again power is square. In the next step, 2 2s are 4, this plus sign in bracket, minus sign is in the bracket and power is even, so it becomes plus. First of all put sign plus, now 2 2s are 4. You can understand this way also. If you multiply minus 2 into minus 2, so minus minus becomes plus and 2 2s are 4. So plus 4 will be the solution of this term. After that open this bracket, so 4 plus 4, that is 8. So 8 is answer. Now here question number 5. Look here in question number 5. In question number 5, value of a is 0 and value of b is minus 1. This value is given 0 and this value is given minus 1. And now find out the value of the given expression. So here I am taking third part. So in third part, expression is given 2a square b plus 2ab square, and then third term is plus ab. Already we know the value of a and b, so put here in the next step the given values. 2 at the place of a, we know 0 is here, b is minus 1 plus 2, a is 0 and b is minus 1. Now plus a is 0 and b again is minus 1. Okay, we know when 0 is multiplied with any number, the answer becomes 0 only. So we will use this property, and by the same we have 1 0 here. So answer of this term is 0. After solving it, answer will be 0. Same in the second term, 1 0 is here, here. So answer will be 0 after solving this term, second term, and third term is also 0. Right here 0. Now addition of 0 will be 0 only. So here answer is 0. Now question number 6. Simplify the expressions and find the value of x. Find the value if x is equal to 2. Okay. This one I took from the question number 5. This was the question number 5 and part 3rd. Now next question I am taking from 6. From question number 6, value of x is given here, value of is 2. And I am taking here fourth part. Fourth part, expression is given for 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So this expression is given in fourth part and we have to simplify it when value of x is given 2. So now in the next step, or you can simplify it first. What we do? Multiply this 4 inside the bracket, so it becomes 4 into 2x, this minus sign, 4 into 1 plus 3x plus 11, keep as it is. Now in the next step, 4 2s are 8, it becomes 8x, this one minus 4 plus 3x and plus 11. Now combine like terms and solve them. So 8x and 3x both are like terms, so 8 plus 3 gives 11, so write here 11x. Here minus 4 and plus 11 both are like terms, so add them, minus 4 plus 11 gives plus 7. So after simplification of this expression we have that much. Okay. Furthermore we can't solve, so this is the answer. Now we have to find out the value of this expression when x is equals to 2. Now right here x is equals to 2. So put here at the place of x, value of x, that is 2. So 11 into 2 plus 7. Now in the next step, 11 2s are 22 plus 7 and 22 plus 7 gives 29. So 29 is the answer. So this way you can find out other questions also. In 6th question, whatever the expression is given to you, solve it till the last step, and after that the value of variable that is given in the question put here and then solve it. We will get answer. Now question number 7 is also same. Question number 8 is also same, but let me check time. What is the time now? Okay, I am taking one more question from question number 8. Question number 8, I am taking here second part. So in second part, if p is equals to minus 10, value of p is given minus 10. Then expression is, then find the value of p square minus 2p minus third term is 100, p square minus 2p minus 100. So we have this expression already in simplified term. We have to find out what is the value of this question on this value of p. So right here at p is equals to minus 10, put here at the place of p 10. So in the next step, right here minus 10 squared minus 2 into minus 10 and minus 100. Now in the next step, minus 10 into minus 10 will give us 100. Minus sign containing even power, then answer will be positive, and 10 tens are 100. Now in the next second term, minus minus is plus, 10 twos are 20, and here minus 100. Now this plus 100 will cancel out this minus 100. So we have 20 in answer. So for today children, I will till here. All the questions mostly are same. So understand and complete this exercise. Thank you. Exercise whatever I am telling you in the during the class time, do accordingly. Okay, thank you.